Hey everyone and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. To start, open your Spotify application in your mobile device. On Spotify, tap on the home icon and then tap on the gear icon on the upper right, which will then lead you over to settings. On settings, scroll down, then turn on private session. Next, close Spotify and open your settings application in your mobile device. And then in here, scroll down and then look for apps. In here, you can use the search bar on the upper right or you can scroll down. All you have to do this time is to locate Spotify. Once you find Spotify, tap on it. Then click on Force Stop, then tap on OK, then head on over to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. Close settings this time, then head on over to Google Play Store and then search for Spotify. Once you find Spotify, update your Spotify application. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.